Hi guys, here we are at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. That barrier still bangs. Now we've got the 153 coming from Sleaford heading off to Lincoln, and here we are on Thursday the 17th of July 2014, video 1. The time now is 17:29. Right, you might notice I'm a bit wobbly today because I've got my dogs attached to my wrist on my thing. Because after this video I'm going to transfer to the other side to get the other side of the crossing for Andrew today. Because he wants to see the other side of the crossing. The other side doesn't bang, like this one does. No, bad dog. The signal is still on red, and my dog almost interrupted the dialector, the radar, whatever thing it's called, because she went under the barrier when the barrier was going down, but I pulled her away so she didn't get hit. The track's already starting to vibrate and the signal is still on red. There we go, it's gone green, and we'll come over here so we can catch the first number. It might not be a Lincoln train today, it might be a Newark North, because yesterday we had a Newark North gate, which was 308, and here she is, looking nice and pretty today, as she always does. She's had a haircut, look. Dotty. God, she's moving quick today. And all the harvest is being taken in. Loads of tractors out. And today we've got 153 3742 Lincoln Central. 153 374 up to Lincoln and Honey. Up they go. Thank you guys, I'll transform on the other side for the next video.